Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. I got a lot of comments to troubleshoot Winra1n on Windows. Like for example, you are having issues that the rootful option is disabled. It is not available. You can see it is grayed out while your device is connected successfully in normal mode, while the rootless option works fine. And we will also fix or find solutions for issues when your device is not being detected in Winra1n when it is connected via USB. So first of all, we will look at the rootful grayed out issue. You can see my device is connected. So the first thing to do is to trust the device. Alright, now from the Winra1n package, make sure that USB DK is installed. You can simply open it, install it, and then restart your computer once. Now on Winra1n itself, select check USB DK right here. The simplest solution to get rootful available is to connect your device in recovery mode or DFU mode. There are ways to do it easily. The easiest way is to select rootless, then hit next. Hit OK. The device will go into recovery mode. You can see the device is now detected in recovery mode. Now you can quit out of Winra1n, right click Winra1n, and then again open it or run it as administrator. You can see it has detected the device in recovery mode. Now hit Jailbreak and you can see the rootful option is now available. Now simply select it, create fake FS, make sure USB DK is selected, and we are going to test it. We will hit next, hit OK. Get your device into DFU by simply following the instructions. And we will wait for the process to finish here. So as we have created the fake FS, we will have to wait about 10 minutes to complete the process. After creating the fake FS, your device will connect into normal mode again. You can see the rootful option is again disabled, but it is selected. Now simply uncheck create fake FS, hit next, OK. Get your device into DFU mode and complete the process. While making sure that the USB DK option within Winra1n is selected. Once the process is complete, you will see all done here, and after a minute or two you will find the Winra1n loader on your home screen, and now you can easily install Celio and complete the jailbreak. And under device information you can see it is rootful. There are two other easy ways to get your device into recovery mode. On your A11 devices, you can simply volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button or the power button until you get into recovery mode. Or you can connect your device to 3U tools, then go to toolbox. Now under tools you will find enter rec mode, hit it, and then from there you can enter recovery mode. You can see my device is now in recovery mode. Once you have got your device into recovery mode via 3U tools, you can simply open Winra1n again. It will detect your device into recovery mode. Select Winra1n. You can see the rootful option is available. Next up, fixing the detection issues and issues where the jailbreak does not complete. First of all, make sure that iTunes is installed on your Windows computer. Please note that do not install iTunes from the Microsoft Store. If you did it, simply uninstall it and then go to the official Apple's website and then get it from here to your Windows and install that. And then restart the computer once. Next up, you can use the Fix Driver button within Winra1n to fix the driver issues, and then hit trust on your device and your device will be detected. You can also run a Windows update and it will automatically pick up the USB device driver for your Apple device. In most cases it won't require a restart, but in some cases it will require a restart, and after restarting the computer your device will successfully be detected. One more reason that your device panics while you jailbreak it, it happens with all your A11 devices, is that you have set a passcode. If you have set a passcode, please go to settings, go to touch ID and passcode and disable the passcode from here. Also, after you have disabled the passcode, go back, go to general, scroll all the way down, back up your device using iTunes, then hit transfer or reset iPhone, and then erase all content and settings. and then again try jailbreaking your device. And if you use A11 and you're jailbroken, do not set a passcode or your device will panic. Next, if your device is stuck while it is being jailbroken, make sure you change the port to another port, and you also install the USB DK from the Winra1n package. Install it, restart the computer, and within Winra1n, make sure that USB DK option is checked. And then complete the jailbreak process by simply following the instructions on screen Winra1n. And it will complete the jailbreak process without any issues. Alright, also an Intel CPU computer is recommended. On an AMD, this may cause issues. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.